Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. Shafin Ahmed. In this video I will teach you how to pronounce one of the most common English words. The word is the. Sometimes we say the, sometimes we say the. Let me quickly teach you the rule. Before that, let me show you how to pronounce TH for those people who still have problems with TH. Make sure your tongue touching the upper teeth. Don't bite too hard. Don't press too hard. It's a light touch, and we say z, z, the. Create a vibration of the air on your tongue, touching your upper teeth. The. All right, let's start the roll. Take a look at this. Here we say the end and the apple, because and apple begin with the vowel sound. That's the rule. When we have a vowel sound, it follows the sound. We say the, but we don't stop talking. The first rule is vowel is the, and second rule is don't start connect them. The apple, the end, the only one. Don't stop. Make sure you say the one unit. The third rule is we add a little ya in there. Tiny little ya. Listen, the end, the apple, ya. Clear? So, A, E, I, O, U থাকলে উচ্চারণটা হবে the, not the end, the only one, the other day, not the other day. That's the rule. And now, practice some words that has the and the. Listen to this. The big apple. We didn't say the big apple. The big apple. The day. The other day. Alright. Now, let's practice some sentences. Each sentence will have the and the. So pay attention, listen carefully, and then repeat. This is the end of the film. This is the end of the film. This is the end of the film. The traffic is terrible in the afternoon. The employees are at the meeting. The, not the. The employees are at the meeting. You, the only person who knows the truth. The, not the. You're the only person who knows the truth. I don't have the answer of these questions. The answer, not the answer. Clear? So dear friends, what I'm trying to say, when you see, like যদি কোনো ওয়ার্ডের আগে A, E, I, O, U থাকে, try to say the, not the. So sometimes what you try to do, sometimes most of the time, especially I see a lot of students in Bangladesh, they try to say the university, the apple, the orange, the employee. So দাও হবে, দিও হবে। সো আপনাকে মনে রাখতে হবে যে আমি কোথায় দি উচ্চারণ করব। আজকে থেকে আপনারা চেষ্টা করবেন দি উচ্চারণটা করার জন্য। দি, রাইট? কখন করবেন মনে আছে তো? যখনই কোনো ওয়ার্ডের আগে A, E, I, O, U থাকে তখনই বলবেন দি। যেমন দি এন্ড, ই আছে দেখেন, দা এন্ড না কিন্তু। দি অ্যাপল, নট দা অ্যাপল, রাইট? দি এমপ্লয়ি, not the employee. The, da. So dear friends and students, right, I hope you really like this lesson right anyway, and I hope if you really like this pronunciations class, most of the time, if you want me to make some types of videos for you guys in the later on or in future, in the long run, try to comment me, like my videos, and do subscribe my channel. I will see the new videos some other time. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.